I will suggest that don't go for BB in aviation right now. Instead of that,
1,200 candidates. All eyes on phase 2 of the world's biggest elections. To open it,
ये सोच रहे हो कि मैं इलेक्शन का वीडियो क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ तुम लोग को? बहुत सारे सवाल चल रहे होंगे ना कि टाइटल भी सोच रहे होंगे कि वीडियो बना क्यों रहा है, क्या हो गया, क्या होने वाला है. तो यार बात करते हैं. Hello guys, this is me Mohammad Awais. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a great day. But after this, I think so your day will be little bit of disappointment. जो मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ अभी. Elections, right? In India, everywhere is like elections. It's like trending word of India right now. कि elections हो रहे हैं. हर जगह पे. 13 states getting elections. We're gonna have new PM. Or maybe the same PM, or maybe something else. Maybe the rules will be different, and maybe something can be changed. But ये बीबी पे कैसे इफेक्ट करेगा? कभी ये सोचा है? तब यार इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं. So the thing is कि मैं वीडियो इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि जब तुम एक पर्टिकुलर कोर्स चूज करते हो आफ्टर 10th और आफ्टर 12th, you have to think about the political factor, geopolitical factors, then many other things. I'm not getting it right now, I don't know why. But yeah, you have to see a lot of factors. Economic factors, I'm so sorry, there's one more thing. Economic factors, we have to think of that too. That's the most important thing. We always talk about it. But कभी हम सोचते हैं जब हम कोई कोर्स चूज करते हैं तो ये सब फैक्टर्स के बारे में सोचते हैं, पॉलिटिकल, जियोपॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर्स, देन द रिसेशंस एंड ऑल, इन्फ्लेशंस फैक्टर्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. डू वी थिंक अबाउट इट और वी जस्ट रैंडमली चूज द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री इज बूमिंग, सो लेट्स गो फॉर एविएशन? It doesn't work like that. So the thing is, I'm making this video is when you choose your particular course after what you have to do, or bachelor's degree, what you have to do after 12th, okay, or what you have to do after 10th. Should I go for science? Should I go for arts, commerce? Should I go for diploma? When you choose, please think of these factors, I will say, because India is unpredictable environment, I will say right now. And I'm not in India, but I do get update. I read news daily. I see the economic trends, what is happening in the market and all. I know तुम ये भी पॉइंट बोलेंगे मुझे कि इंडिगो ने तब इतने सारे प्लेन्स बाय किया, A350 लिया उसने, तो फिर एविएशन इंडस्ट्री ग्रो क्यों नहीं कर रही है? इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट, ओके. एयर इंडिया ने भी 400 से ज़्यादा प्लेन लिया है, बट उसका जो लास्ट ईयर का रिपोर्ट देखोगे वो बहुत गंदे लॉस में गया था, क्योंकि अभी तक एविएशन इंडस्ट्री इतनी बूम होने स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है. दैट्स व्हाई. और आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू कि एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में मत आओ. मैं तुमको एक फैक्ट बता रहा हूँ कि एक्चुअल में मार्केट में हो क्या रहा है, ठीक है? बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि कोई मेरे पास आया और मुझे बोले कि ब्रो आई वांट टू डू दिस एविएशन कोर्स एंड आई एम सेइंग यू ओके गो टू दिस कॉलेज इज रियली गुड, एंड देन वो करके पास आउट हो एंड देन उसको जॉब ना मिले, वो मुझे कोर्स है और मुझे बोले कि भाई तूने तो बोला था करने को. भाई मेरा डिसीजन नहीं था, तुम्हारा डिसीजन है वो, ओके. इट्स नथिंग टू डू, आई एम गिविंग एन एडवाइस. तुम वो एडवाइस ले रहे हो, ओके. अब तुम्हारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये है कि तुमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आज के पॉइंट ज़माने में ना सब चीज़ ईजी नहीं है. भाई सच बोल रहा हूँ, लोगों को लगता है कि पैसा कमाना ईजी है, बट पैसा कमाना ईजी नहीं है. स्टॉक मार्केटिंग एंड ऑल के लगता है कि घर बैठे काम है, पैसे डालो डबल हो जाते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो व्हेन यू चूज एन पर्टिकुलर कोर्स राइट नाउ, थिंक what can be affected in the future. Like for example, I'm giving you, if a party A wants, which is already present in the India, and party B wants, what will happen? So if party A wins it, so it can be a different scenario. The things will be same, I will say, but rules can be changed. A new PM can be hired, a new rules can be stated, a new curriculum can be happened, new tax will be happen, new income tax, new things, new evolution can come, I will say. But if a B party wins by chance, or it wins, You never know what will happen, because in the A1 you can still predict. Okay, they are still there in this industry. They were working like this. In 5 years they will be working like that, but things will be little change. But in terms of B, it can never predict, bro. Things can go anywhere. What you are doing right now in any industry, you never know it's gonna be there in the future or not, because of party B work, right? Because the party B work or party A work is to control, to make that work happen, make that industry work. There are thousands of industries who are working, but the particularly they look for work to particular industries. And if things changed, चीजें बदल गई, और जो तुम BBA कर रहे हो 3 साल में, और 3 साल में कुछ और ही हो गया, तो तुमको लगता है वो फिर वो worth it है? And it's not just about India, I will say it's all about the global factors also, which is happening all around the world. The wars between the countries, the fuel prices are increasing, the things are going way extent which we have never imagined, which will be affecting our education systems wherever you are. So if BBA in aviation तुम choose कर रहे हो भी, I will suggest that don't go for BBA in aviation right now. Instead of that, go for a good bachelor's in terms of management, in terms of entrepreneurships. Then you can go for your bachelor's in aeronautics, engineering, I will say. You can go for bachelor's in BMS, like Bachelor's of Management Studies, which is really good right now. You can go for something which you can relate into the aviation industry at the end if you want to come to aviation industry, but don't go for specialization of aviation industry. And there were colleges which I used to suggest you all: UPS, AIMS, then Presidency University. But people of last year who went there, right now they are on different scenario. At the last year the colleges were doing really good, but this year I got really bad feedbacks from that colleges, so I won't suggest any of them for aviation. That's why I am telling most of the people, don't go for aviation only. Better you go for normal bachelors, work for in a non-aviation industry. If you're getting a job in aviation industry, work for that, and then come to aviation, and then come to a corporate world or something like that. And also, please don't think of masters right now. It's just you're starting. I'm getting so many messages and DMs on the Instagram and many other websites that, bro, I will go for my bachelor's, then I will go for my master's. अरे मास्टर्स तो क्यों सोच रहा है मेरे भाई? तू अभी से क्यों सोचना है तुमको? अभी से पहले बैचलर्स तो करो, बैचलर्स कंप्लीट करो, जॉब करो, 3-4 साल अपने स्किल्स को अपग्रेड करो, एक पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट बनाओ एक इंडस्ट्री में, एंड देन गो फॉर योर मास्टर्स. डोंट रश इनटू थिंग्स कि भाई मैं मास्टर्स करने अब्रॉड चले जाऊंगा. इजी है क्या? इट्स नॉट इजी मैन, सीरियसली इट्स नॉट इजी, ट्रस्ट मी. And I am living in that world. I'm living where you want yourself to see. So I know what difficulties I'm facing. I'm making you prepare to not to make that mistake which I have done. So if ये वीडियो तुम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचाओगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. लोग एक गलती करने से बच जाएंगे और वो पर्टिकुलर एक रिसर्च भी कर पाएंगे. And that's it I want to say. Please make your decision wisely, because things in the world is unpredictable right now, and it's not easy to survive. It's not easy to get money, get job. So that's it. So don't go for anything which can be turned into any worse scenario for you. That's it I will say. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. Go for voting. We should have a good candidate in terms of PMs. So yeah, that's it I will say. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Share the video with everyone so people can take a wise decision. Again I'm saying.